Welcome to Bead's language compiler installation for the Macintosh. Start by going to beadslang.com and click the Bead Software Development Kit link or the download button, and that will start a download. It's 74 megabytes approximately. It will download a zip file. When it finishes downloading at the bottom of your browser, you click the tab and you'll see that it downloaded typically to your Documents folder, or Downloads folder in this case. You then right-click the zip file and you say Open, and that will unpack the zip file into a folder called Beads. You can throw away the zip file now. Take that Beads folder and put it where you would like to do your development. I created a folder called Dev, and I put the beads inside that, but you can put it anywhere in your hard drive you want. Then open the folder that says, inside the beads folder, you'll see a subfolder called bin_osx, bin for binary executable. So in the bin osx folder, you'll see the Beads app. Double click that, and it should start up the Beads launcher program, which is how you control the compiler. You don't use the command line in Beads, you use this tool. When you open it, it will give you a warning about, hey, I don't recognize this, just ignore that and let it run. You should then see the project files. These are the examples that we have preloaded. We have edit, compile, and run buttons for each of the examples. In the empty slots, you can add your own programs or change those slots later by clicking the folder icon to the left. Start by clicking the comp button and see if the compiler runs correctly on Hello. Okay, now we need to install a Chrome extension into Google Chrome, which is the preferred browser for debugging. Although Chrome has one or two errors, it's a bit more reliable than the Safari browser that Apple comes with. So you go to google.com and you download the Chrome browser if you don't already have it, and you go up to the link that we supplied where you can then get to this extension. It's called the Web Server Plugin from chromebeat.com, and it's a free little plugin that just basically lets you pretend to run a web server on a folder on your hard drive. So what you do is you download that extension, you turn it on, and then you choose the folder which you want to serve up. Would be your Beads development folder. Now you're ready to run any of the programs in your local browser. To see the console log, turn on the developer tools in the menu for Chrome, and then you'll see under the console all your log statements in the code. Now we have to do another piece of housekeeping one time, which is to associate the file suffix beads with your favorite text editor. Maybe you like to use Sublime Text or Atom or VS Code. I use Text Wrangler, which is an old version of BB Edit. It's very reliable and incredibly fast. So you need to pick your editor, and what you do is you go, let's open our Hello project in the Beads folder, and then right-click on the hello.beads file and do Get Info. And then in the Get Info screen, you'll see Open with ... and there'll be a pull-down menu of every program that can handle text editing. So select your favorite editor and then click the Change All button and then click the OK on the confirmation, and that will change all files with the suffix .beads so that the operating system knows that when you double click a file of that type, you intend it to launch your favorite editor with that file.